In bending, your biggest cost isn't the raw material, it's rework, scrap, and lost production time. Meet the independent 7-axis dual-servo CNC press brake, engineered for precision, designed for high-volume production. True independent 7-axis control, every axis is powered by its own high-performance servo motor. No simulation, no compromise, deep U-bends and complex asymmetric parts completed in a single setup. Precision ground ball screws, high-precision linear guides. An independent drive architecture that minimizes cumulative positioning errors. First part, 1000th part, same accuracy. High synchronization, stable positioning, less scrap, lower operating costs, faster production, consistent results.